Welcome back to season 2 of Committee. I am Tanaya Patil, the chairperson of Alumni Cell.
I am Mayur Mane, the vice chairperson of Alumni Cell.
I am Shreya Bharwadi, the student representative of Alumni Cell.
I am Devanshu Parekh, the coordinator of Sydenham Alumni Cell.
And Priyam Reynolds, assistant student representative of Alumni Cell. We miss you, Priyam.
Hi guys, we are finally with the core now. So let's dig into the questions. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
So the first one. What's your secret sauce when it comes to managing last minute chaos?
I think Shreya अच्छे से answer दे सकती है.
Why?
I think there is no secret sauce.
हाँ,
It's
exactly.
just the chaos happens and we are like, तू ये कर, we're done.
And मेरा motto जो
Go
होगा
with the
देखा
flow.
जाएगा.
Go with the flow.
जो होगा देखा
handle
जाएगा.
कर देते situation.
Who usually plays peacemaker when things get heated?
Tanaya
I
or
guess,
Priyam?
yeah. Tanaya. I guess Tanaya.
Yeah.
And who do you vote for, Tanaya?
What?
If everyone is voting for you, who are you voting for?
Thanks.
I think it would be Devansh or Priyam.
Okay. What's your guys' proudest we pulled off moment so far?
1.8 million views.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely that.
There are many.
There are
and
many.
There are many.
Even the banner reveal, the
Swapnil
flash
Joshi.
mob.
Swapnil Joshi
Yeah.
pulled it off in 1 week.
I'm gonna list them out. Swapnil Joshi, banner reveal, the advertisement in the trains, and 1.8
Oh my
million
God.
views on our reel.
So many.
And having a good team.
Yeah.
What's a hilarious mistake you guys made that no one outside ever found out till date?
Shreya, would you like to take over for
What
this?
is wrong with y'all?
Nobody has found it out until now, and you won't.
But you need to tell us.
ये राज हमारे
It's
साथ ही
called
चल
the
रहा है.
committee, guys. Okay, so if you guys are not ready to tell, it's fine. We'll move on to the next one. If you had to pitch your team like a brand, what would be the tagline? Mayur, this one is for you.
Oh.
I think इसको last में बोलते हैं.
Next.
Too much to think.
So now it's time to move on to the second segment for today, which is called Hot Takes Only. So let's dig into it. What's your team biggest strength and biggest weakness?
Biggest strength is the love everyone shares with each other.
The bonding.
The understanding,
unity.
bonding, which obviously
They're always
thanks to
together.
PDEM
Bonding
sessions. Bonding
sessions.
sessions.
PDM session which turns into a bonding session.
Weakness. Chairperson.
Weakness,
No, I think there will be one weakness that the team is very less. Like बहुत कम लोग हैं.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think we can.
Recruit more people.
Yeah.
Next year. Maybe you can be one of them.
Please apply.
Who turns into a bossy CEO during events among you guys?
I didn't pick a name.
हाँ मतलब because
The audience needs to know, guys.
yeah because we are so into the event thing ना कि हमसे वो बाकी चीजें देखी नहीं जाती कि like हम है उस चीज में, इसलिए हम बस वही फोकस करते हैं कि इवेंट अच्छा जाए, इसलिए हम मे भी बॉसी हो जाते हैं, मे भी रूड हो जाते हैं, बट एट लास्ट हम सबके लिए प्यार, नो ग्रजेस.
If your team had a theme song, what would it be?
जन्मों के साथ
जोर से बोल, जोर से बोल, आवाज नहीं आ रहा. Right, left, चलने का sequence बनाने का.
लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट राइट
Left. Left.
1 2 3
जन्मों के साथ ही.
जन्मों के साथी हम साथ साथ हैं.
Okay, so let's move on. What's the weirdest argument your team has had?
मुझे याद तो आ रहा है,
wait
पर बता
I
रहा
have
है.
a bonding session over
Ketchup.
ketchup.
चाय
Oh,
में ketchup
yeah.
डाल रहा है,
Oh
मैगी
my
में ketchup
God.
डाल रहा है, सब में ketchup डाल रहा है, सबको पोहा में
And
ketchup डाल रहा है.
वो एक ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डिबेट था, वो एक आर्गुमेंट हो गया. People were commenting.
But तो ketchup versus क्या था? What was?
If
The debate?
ketchup should be put on everything or it should not be put on everything.
Please comment.
I remember वो छोड़ो, वो हो गया, उसके दो 2-3 दिन बाद, हफ्ते बाद भी वही ग्रुप पे केचप
हाँ।
खा रहा है, केचप
Every once in a while, somebody used to put ketchup on something weird and then put the picture on the group, and the debate would start again.
I'll give you a tea. तन्या ने एक बार किसी का तो फोटो डाला था ग्रुप पे, सॉफ्टी आइसक्रीम के ऊपर केचप
yeah.
डाला था. किसी ने.
Sorry, we
But
don't.
she
We don't support
We don't
that.
support it.
I don't support it, but she ate it.
I support
He-
Pizza, but not that.
If you do,
She ate it.
comment below if you do.
Why would they?
Guys, do let us know in the comments below what team you are. Describe your experiences in terms of a Bollywood movie. With the plot, with the drama and everything.
मुझे प्रियम के लिए आंसर देना है.
बोलो.
बोल.
When Priyam appeared in Nexus, it felt like जो रणबीर कपूर आता है ना आदिति की शादी में. अचानक से किसी को एक्सपेक्ट नहीं, बट वो आता है एंड वो पूरा ऐसे अच्छे से ऐसे सबको खुश कर देता है भाई कि हाँ वो है.
You were not waiting for me.
हाँ.
Okay, sir. Please मुझे मत मारना. I'm so sorry, but मेरा एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा सा ना वो वैसा फीलिंग था बॉलीवुड मूवी का. वो अगर तुमने जब भी मैच देखी तो आदित्य है ना, जब उसको ट्रेन में गीत मिलती जो जैसे बहुत बोल कर ही इज नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग, तो मुझे थोड़ा वो आदित्य वाली वाइब्स आई थी बीच में, नया था तब. So sorry.
मैं भी शब्द भी मैं बोलने वाली थी, बट मुझे लगा कोई तो आंसर देगा, इसलिए मैं दूसरा सोच रही थी अब.
Okay, so the next one. Who's the parent and who's the chaos child?
पेरेंट
Chaos
chaos
child
child.
is bad, not the chaos child.
देखा क्या किया भाई.
Chaos child.
What's one thing people misunderstand about the core committee's job?
I think the widely misunderstood thing is that we only do events or student activities, but alumni cell is, along with that, alumni cell is also about the college.
Yeah, exactly. We also contribute to the development and rebranding of college with everyone's support.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah, definitely.
And last but not the least, what's the one thing you'll never forget about your tenure?
I interviewed Swapnil Joshi. That was like a dream come true, because obviously सबका crush था वो Maharashtrians का when they were a kid.
For me, the parallel leadership experience, like रात को 12 बजे तक बैठना, let's not take the name, Brandon McDonald's में बैठना या काफी जगह में बैठना, पूरा those memories I'm never gonna forget.
For me, it's the whole year, honestly. Every now and then something used to happen which would just, become a good memory that I would always carry with me.
I would say it's the team. We spend the time with, be it in room number 25, be it inside the college, outside the college, treks and
Treks.
many things.
We love you team. करो.
If you guys had to swap roles among the core, who would not survive?
I don't think so ऐसा कुछ होता, because जब हमारी parallel leadership थी, we became core parallel leadership की process से, and तब we were given training for all the posts and all the position, तो हमें पता था कि क्या होने वाला है. Obviously we were chosen on the basis of what suits us the best, but ऐसा नहीं कि कोई survive ही नहीं कर पाता. In the end अगर change भी हो जाते तो दूसरे के skill set उसको complement करने वाले थे, so ऐसा नहीं होता.
What is the one word or one line which you would want to say to alumni cell 24-25?
Oh,
Surprise!
For me, it was a roller coaster of the ride. मतलब, we cried, we laughed, we made memories, and people जो हम cherish करेंगे till we survive.
Surreal. It was surreal. Beautiful.
For me, the networks I made, the people I met in alumni cell.
But then you have to give a word or a line, right?
हाँ.
Hmm.
What would you describe your journey as?
तू बता.
नहीं सोचा, सोच के बता भी बना होगा. मेरे दिमाग में honestly यही आ रहा है, I will miss you alumni cell. That is the one line जो मेरे दिमाग में आ रही है. Obviously college में होने वाले हैं, but
It's okay.
अपना
It's okay.
tenure अपना tenure होता है.
सब नहीं होने वाले लक्ष्मण.
Honestly, I cannot describe it in one word. Sorry, but seriously, the people I've met and the experiences I've had is, and now it's very emotional for me that it's end of the year for me. So yeah, thank you so
Oh,
much.
that's so sweet.
So that's all for today, guys. The alumni cell core for 2024-2025 signing off.
The core is changing, but alumni cell remains the same. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Sidnam Alumni Cell.
Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi guys.
Hello.
We were behind the camera.
Yes.
As usual.
आपके सामने
Bye bye guys.
नहीं,
Love you
हम
all.
मिलके तुम लोगों के photo लाएंगे. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Love you so much.
This was Committee with the Core. Bye bye.